Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to layer your tracks. This is something you would do when you have B-roll that pairs with different narration. So you'll see here that I have a video 1 and a video 2, and you can add additional tracks if you'd like as well by hitting this little plus sign and adding more tracks. So right now I'm going to find my narration, and I'm going to pretend that this is my narration here. It's Mr. Coon talking. And so I put it on video 1. So whatever is on the bottom is going to, like, imagine that's what you see right now, but anything I put on top will cover it up at some point. So he's talking, he's singing, and then I'm going to drop in different footage. So imagine him as like the interview, but he's talking for way too long and it's getting boring. So I'm going to drop in B-roll that makes sense with it when he's talking about that B-roll, which is right here. So now it's going to look like this. Mr. Coon talking, Coon talking, still talking. Okay, then I'm going to move it over. And now he's standing in the rain. And now back to Mr. Coon. Now you can hear both of them though. So what you have to do is you have to drop the sound on the B-roll footage, which is the top one. So if I go up to that and I click on it, I can click on sound, and this button right here is mute, and now my sound is going to be gone. Oh, there's a little button below that to save. Blue, save. And now when I play it again, we just hear him. We don't hear the sound that was in my footage. So that's how you layer tracks. Hope that helps.